for a getaway car top.
Welcome to OphirPh, Pearl of the Orient City Guide to Events, Food and Drinks, Culture, Movies, Technology Trends, Theatre, TV and Travel. Explore more than 7,000 wonderful Paradise Island, experience and immerse to the Mahalacan culture of Yar. Batanes, one of the dream places to visit in the Philippines for local travelers, is a surreal haven that promises to give you a slice of heaven of earth. Famed for its sheer natural beauty and distinct landscapes, this remote wonderland leaves its beholders in awe with its majestic lofty cliffs, rolling hills, boulder-lined shores and deep canyons. In addition, this paradisiacal place flaunts a myriad of sturdy and historic stone houses. The name Batanes derives from the words Batan, the local word for the Batan people. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. And visit our website at www.ophirph.com for more travel guide and tips. Remote and isolated, Batanes is the northernmost province in the Philippines. It's a 10-piece archipelago, with the three biggest islands being the only ones inhabited, Sabtang, Batan, and Itbayat. Sabtang and Itbayat are their own municipalities, while Batan is further divided into Bisco, Ivana, Uayugan, and Mahatao. Although it is the capital, Bisco isn't a city but a small town. It is also where the main airport is located and the most populated. How to go to Batanes? The fastest and easiest way to reach Batanes is by air. Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific and Skyjet have regular commercial flights from Manila and Clark to Bisco, the provincial capital and gateway to the province. Meanwhile, Sky Pasada and North Ski Air fly from Tuguegarao and Logue to Bisco. Keep an eye on promotion to avail of the budget airfare. How to get around Batanes? By bicycle or motorcycle. The bicycle is the cheapest way of going around the island, but make sure you have the stamina to match. The landscape is rugged and a bicycle ride can take you up and down the slopes of rolling hills 100 times over. Not really 100, but you get the point. Bicycle rental rates. Old bikes 25 pesos per hour, small or Japanese bikes 300 pesos per day, mountain bikes 600 to 1000 pesos per day, depending on the type and how long you're gonna use it. For those who have a driver's license and can drive two wheels, the motorcycle is a good option. Motorcycle rent costs 500 to 1000 pesos per day. Gas is not yet included. Where to stay in Batanes? As the capital and commercial center of the province, Bisco is a good base for tourists. Inns and homestays are heavily concentrated in the Poblacion area, which is also where the airport is located. Tour operators also have their offices here. The cheapest options are homestays. Two popular homestays are Troy's Lodge and Marfal's Lodge. Troy's Lodge, a loft with a few rooms for guests on the second floor. Rates are 700 to 1000 pesos per room up to 3 packs. Marfal's Lodge started out as a single house. It is now a network of 4 separate lodges. Main Lodge, Annex Lodge, Triple MP Homestay, Mac Homestay being marketed together. Rates are 500 to 600 pesos per room 2 packs and 350 pesos per person for a single fan room. Both inns are located in the town proper of Bisco and near the airport. Places to visit in Batanes. Tourist spots in Batanes are often divided into 4 zones: North Batan, South Batan, Sabtang, and Itbayat. I always recommend taking the North Batan tour first because it gives just the right dose of what's to come, sort of a teaser. If you're based in Bisco, it is the closest and shortest of the tours. The whole thing takes just half a day, around 4 hours. South Bataan takes much longer, covers a wider area, and in my opinion, much more breathtaking. If you do South Bataan first, the north might leave you a bit underwhelmed. Please take note of the following tourism, environmental fees. Bataan Island collected upon landing at Bisco Airport 350 pesos. Subtang Island 200 pesos and Itbayat Island 100 pesos. Activities in Batanes. See the following attractions of North Bataan Island. Nadi Hill Lighthouse, Viang Rolling Hills, Santo Domingo Cathedral of Bisco, Valugan Boulder Beach, Chadpidan Boulder Beach, Japanese Tunnel, Fundación Pasita, Pagaza Station, Tucon Chapel on the Hill, Mount Carmel Chapel, Tucon Windmill, Bisco Ijang, and Mount Ira. See the following attractions of South Bataan Island. Chawa View Deck, Mahatao Shelter Port, Mahatao Town, San Carlos Borromeo Church of Mahatao, Blank Library, Tade Lighthouse, Rakupiaman, Marlborough Hills, Gura Fishing Village, Fountain of Youth, Alapad Hills, Sitio Song Song Ruins, Uayugan Town, National Museum Batanes, San Jose de Ivana Church, Honesty Coffee Shop, House of Dakei. See the following attractions of Subtang Island. Subtang Town, Savidug Village, Savidug Ijang, Charmantatinian Viewpoint, Charvayan Village, Nakanmian Natranak, Morong Beach, Malakdang Lighthouse, Samanga Village, Ivuas Island, Dicky Island. See the following attractions on Itbayat Island. Sayan Island, Mavulis, Uami Island, Dynam Island, Ditam Island and Misanga or North Island. Rapang Cliff, Mount Reposette and Mount Caraboboan or Mount Santa Rosa. Tarongan Cave, Northern Sarakan Cave, Eastern Sarakan Cave, Dotbaran Cave and Pivangan Cave. Nahini Vote Docks, Tarongan Hill and Ijang, Kimyasaka's underground stream, Agosan Rock, and Port Moy. Several species of birds, bats, reptiles and amphibians also inhabit the island. Many of those are endemic in the Philippines. The island is also a sanctuary of different migratory birds during winter in the northern hemisphere. If you have any comments or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more travel guide and tips, visit our site at www.ophirph.com. Do not forget to click the notification bell.